Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to Just Sophia. So guys, here I am again with another video on how to make money online. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, guys. My name is Judith. I do how to make money online, personal finance, and personal development videos. If that is your kind of content, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Press the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Guys, I have realized that 80% of people who watch me have not subscribed. I don't know what I ever did to you, but please consider subscribing so that you can help me grow, okay? Yeah, and also so that you can just follow every video that I post without you missing it. So thank you for subscribing. For those who have subscribed, for my returning subscribers, for those who are always coming back to watch my content, I really appreciate you. So let us get into the video. So what is academic writing? What does academic writing entail? So as an academic writer, you will be doing assignments or essays or homework for students, and then you get paid. This is a little bit controversial because some people see it as unethical. Yeah, of course, as a parent, you wouldn't want to pay school fees and then your son or daughter is being done for homework. Yeah, so that is where morality or ethics comes in. But now I don't judge. For me, I don't judge whichever way you use to make money. As long as you have not killed someone or you have not stolen, I'm fine with it. Also, my work here is to point you to the right direction when it comes to online jobs so that you can always go and do your own research and make a decision whether it is something that you would like to try or not. So that being said, if you aspire to be an academic writer, these are some of the things that you should know. One, when it comes to earning, you will earn around, academic writers earn per page. So per one page, you earn around $15 to $20. That means per month, you can make as much as you have worked, of course, depending on the availability of jobs. And availability of jobs, how much the client is paying, and also how much you can handle. So people make a lot of money, by the way. You can earn six figures. You can also earn zero if you haven't worked, of course. Recently, I was just talking to my cousin who came to visit, and she's an academic writer, by the way. Through academic writing, she's able to pay her college fees. She's able to pay rent and any other life expenses that she has. She's also able to save. So that means that this is something that you can totally live off of if you are able to do it. Yeah. So during high season, by the way, and I'm talking about Kenyans because I don't know anywhere else. Of course, this is something that you can do wherever you are, all over the world, because it's a freelance job. So you can work from wherever you are. But now I'm talking as a Kenyan. Kenyans make a lot of money doing academic writing, especially during the high season. So if you are out there and you have been wondering if this is something that you should consider, please go and do your own research and let me know in the comment section how you feel about it. So how can you become an academic writer? Now, these are the things that you need to have for you to be able to work as an academic writer. The first one is you should be at least a college student. By then, this is not something that can be done by sorry, by as in if you're already struggling with your school assignments, this is not something for you. This is not something for you. This is for people who are sharp. Let me just say that. Yeah. So at least a college degree, because most of what you'll be doing, by the way, which are essays, are things that we do in colleges. So having that first-hand experience is a good thing. Okay, another number two, if you want to be an academic writer, of course, this is a form of writing, just like content writing. You need to love writing to be someone who loves writing, because if you don't, then with time you'll get bored. So you need to love writing. Another thing, number three, you need to have excellent English writing skills. Not only should you be should you love writing, but you should also be excellent at it, especially when it comes to English writing. Good grammar, no typos. When you are submitting your work, you need to make sure that it is free of any grammar mistakes. It is free from any typos or any other type of error. It is supposed to read well, because now that is the only way you can retain your clients. No client will give you work if you keep making simple grammar mistakes. Another thing is that is number four. You need to be able to adhere to complex instructions. Now I know that in content writing, we at least have a leeway. As long as the client has given you instructions, you can always go a certain way that you feel is right according to you. Like writing a blog post is not just like one route. You can always go in different directions and it will be okay. But now when it comes to academic writing, they have specific instructions, specific rules. So you are supposed to be able to follow exactly what the client wants, and give exactly that. So here you need to have the ability to read and understand a brief before you start working. Okay, so that is number four. Number five, you need to have a proper understanding of all academic citation and referencing. By the way, this is supposed to be number one. And by the way, I didn't tell you, but I actually tried academic writing before. This is one of the reasons why I just couldn't. Yeah, this referencing and citation is just something that is not for me. So that is one of the reasons that I dropped it. So this is the ultimate test that will tell between a good academic writer and someone who is not so good. You need to be aware and know the different referencing and citation styles, and know how to use them. In fact, you should have used them before. And this is where, again, a college degree comes in, because in college, mostly we have used one of these referencing styles or more. And the referencing styles that I'm talking about are APA, MLA, Harvard, and MHRA. Yeah, those are the most commonly used ones. So you need to have knowledge of those four. Number six, guys, and the last point of how to become a good academic writer is to be a good time manager. By the way, again, when I compare with content writing, at least with content, it's not so strict. But now academic writing is very time sensitive. I have heard of people being woken up at 12 a.m. to do a revision. It is that serious, guys. Because you see, this student, if you delay in delivering the work, it means they will also delay in delivering the work to, I don't know, the professor, in submitting the work to the professor, or whichever name they use to call these people, the professor or lecturer, or I don't know. Yeah, so if you delay in delivering your work, it means they will also delay in submitting their work. And that is a bad thing. Yeah, if you want to retain your clients, which is very, very important in academic writing, just as it is in any other online job, then you need to be able to take on what you know that you'll be able to complete at a particular time. The good thing with academic writing is that if you find someone maybe in their first year, and they like your work, and you have work ethics, you complete it on time, and your work is quality and all that, you are able to actually go with that person until they finish school. Also, the same client can also refer you to their friends or colleagues, uh, because your work is good. Your work will sell you in this field, in short. So be a good time manager. That is number 6. So those are the qualities or the skills that you need to have for you to be able to work as an academic writer. So another question is, where do you find academic writing jobs? That is always another big question, because now you can only make money if you are able to find these jobs and if you are able to be paid as you work. So I'm just going to mention a few of the places that where you can find these jobs. I will do a separate video, detailed video on maybe like each one of them separately. But now for now, I'm just going to mention a few of the places where you can find academic writing jobs. And number 1 on the list is our good old Upwork. I tell you, Upwork has everything. So when you go to Upwork, after, of course, you have completed registration and your profile is up to 100%, you can simply go and type academic writing, and you'll be able to have a pool of different jobs that you can check out and see if you can work on any of them. You apply to the clients and get started. So we have Upwork.com. We also have academiaresearch.com. That is number 2. And then we have academicknowledge.com. And then we have writerslabs.com. We have writingcreek.com. We have uvocop.com. We have LinkedIn, of course. LinkedIn, you can also get many other jobs. And then we have indeed.com, which also has different jobs. We have social media as the last one. I'll put all these, the links to all these sites in the comment section, of course, except social media and LinkedIn, so that you can go and check them out. So basically, when it comes to looking for academic writing work, it is the same thing that you do when you're looking for content writing work. You can also go directly to Google and type academic writing jobs, and you'll be directed to so many places where you can apply and get started. I think that's it. That is the end of the video. So guys, I hope you have learned something as usual. If you feel that academic writing is something that you can check out, please visit any of those sites that I have mentioned above and see if you can get started. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. If you have tried any of these make money online tactics, if it has worked for you, if it has not worked for you. As usual, I always recommend that you go and do your own research before you start writing. That way you'll have full information. Don't just trust my word for it. So that's the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Click that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos, any of my educative videos. And see you on the next one. Bye.